Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, as you have already seen it, I'm going to tell you how to create this subtle, intense and hot kind of a smoky look. You can do this smoky look even if you are not that experienced. So let's get started. First, for this smoky eye makeup or any kind of makeup, skin prep is really important. So first I'm gonna prep my skin by doing my skincare. And please ignore the hair because I'm trying to do something on my straight hair and we'll see if it's actually worked or not, because I'm not that experienced or professional when it comes to the straight hair styling and stuff. I mean, I know how to do the buns and all sort of things, how to style my curly hair, but when it comes to keep the hair open and style it, I'm still learning. So anyways, first I'm gonna prep my skin and I'm going to moisturize my skin because smoky eye makeup really needs a good coverage when it comes to the base makeup, or else it's going to look really bad. So it's really important that you do your flawless base makeup. You can clearly see I don't have a good skin, obviously. So I'm going to first correct all my pigmentation and all my redness, as I have pigmentation, redness. First I'm going to color correct my face, important, because you can see I have pigmentation, and as I said, I cannot skip this base makeup. There's definitely no way you can do the smoky eye makeup with that uneven skin tone. It's going to look really bad, so please don't do that. And you know, the smoky eye makeup doesn't look that good if you do your base makeup really dewy. Your base makeup need to look flawless but not really dewy. And for that, I'm going to do my base makeup semi-matte so that it can give me a full coverage but not a dewy base makeup. So do your base makeup semi-matte when you're going for a smoky eye makeup. Now I'm going to apply the concealer wherever I've done the color correction, only in that specific areas, because I'm going to use foundation over it. There's no need to use this concealer all over the face. This is giving me a skin tone which is even, and to give my base makeup a full coverage but not high, because I don't like to have a high coverage base makeup, I'm going to use a foundation. And you can go for your any basic foundation. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me, which is in the shade 128, because I have a warm undertone. It doesn't give a high coverage but still a full coverage. I'm going to take this big brush and I'm going to puff this into this foundation, and I'm going to apply it to give my skin a full coverage like this. I'm going to apply it on all over the face and on the eyelids as well, because I have pigmented eyes, so I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids. And for now, I'm leaving the concealer and the baking thing. I'm going to do it after the eye makeup because we need to do it very clean so that everything can look flawless. First, I'm going to do the eye makeup, the smoky eye makeup. Obviously, we need to do the brows, because in the smoky eye makeup, your brows need to look really sharp and edgy. And for that, I'm going to use this e.l.f. brow gel and I'm going to brush it over my eyebrows so that they can look really sharp. And I'm going to brush it in the upward direction. That's it. And you can see the difference between both the brows. Doing the same on the other side as well. I'm going to use this brow pencil which is from the e.l.f. and this is in the shade deep brown, and with this I'm going to shape my brows, fill the gaps, but in a really soft way like this, so that it doesn't look really harsh or bold, because I don't like to give my brows a really harsh shape. And also it doesn't look good on me, so there's no point in doing very bold brows. I'm just going to shape it really softly like this, and from the front side, that's it. This is how I do my brows. You see the slight difference between both the brows, this one and this. This looks more shaped while this one is not that much sharp or edgy, because when we do a smoky eye makeup, you cannot do soft eyebrows. It doesn't look good, so don't do it. Brows done. And now for the eye makeup, first apply some loose powder on your eyelids because we need a really nice blending base. And for that, first you need to set your eyes with some loose powder, but a loose powder should be lighter than your skin tone so that it can make your eyes look white. Yes, that's the point. But before setting the eyes with the loose powder, first blend any kind of crease you have on your eyelids. This is going to give you a really nice blending base when you do the all eyeshadow blending. It's going to be very easy for you to take this brown shade, this small blending brush, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye, really close to my lash line, and no need to blend it. I'm just going to dab it slightly upwards, but it should not be applied above your crease line. Take a blending brush, blend this with a really light hand, really softly, but in the upper direction, and also blend it inwards, but not too much, like this. As I said, it should not be blended or applied above the crease line. Now take this kind of top brown shade, apply it on this brown shade like this, and blend this top shade inwards till the center of your lid like this. Now take a brown shade which is lighter than these two. I'm going to use beige or brown kind of shade and use a really small blending brush. And to give this eye makeup soft edges, blend this upwards like this and also a soft crease like this. Now take a black eyeshadow on a really small detailing brush and apply this black shade on the outer corner of your eye like this. Take a small blending brush and blend the shade outwards really softly. You know, I've seen people doing that. They first apply the black kajal instead of this black shade. Smoke that kajal. That's really difficult if you are a beginner. So smoke it like a wing, but it should be really thin and soft like this. It should not be done above your crease line, but really close to your lash line. Now take a beige shade. Apply that shade in the inner corner of your eyelid, but only till the center of your lid. Like this. Try to blend it above your crease line. Now use a black kajal. This is the most important step in the smoky eye makeup. I mean, for me, smoky eye makeup is incomplete without the tight lining with the black kajal. Using this from Faces Canada, I'm going to use it for tight lining. It's going to give you that intense look. And also in the inner corner, a bit in the inner corner. Just apply it like this, and also on the upper lash line like this. This eye looks naked while this one looks really intense and full. Your favorite mascara, I'm using this from Essence Cosmetics. You can also add the fake lashes, but it doesn't suit me, so I'm not going to do it. I'm just only going to apply this mascara, the outer lashes. And you can see how amazing this eye makeup is looking. And now I'm going to use a concealer to clean my under eyes, and I'll be taking this Maybelline concealer, but I'm not going to apply it directly on my eyes or else it's going to turn my under eyes really white. I'm going to buff it into the concealer, to blend this concealer, and also to blend it in this area as well. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to apply it under my eyes. I'm going to contour my nose, and for that I'm going to use this e.l.f. contour to really softly contour my nose. That should look natural. I'm going to blend this towards my eyebrows. For the blush, I'm going to use this blush from Dream Beauty, which is in the shade Pelican Petal. It's better if you use a nude shade blush when you're doing a smoky eye makeup. It looks really nice. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, but I'm not going to blend it downwards. This is going to give a really snatched look. For the lips, I'm going to take a nude lip liner, as smoky eye makeup looks really good with nude lips. So I'm going to use a nude lip liner. Then a lip gloss or whatever combo you like. Now the makeup's done, and let me do my hair and I'll be right back. Let me know if you find this makeup useful or not. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.